Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize volume styles panel into a Samsung Galaxy A51. First of all, go into Play Store and find volume styles application. This one. Need install, wait a second for installing, and then open. And now you need to choose your volume styles, for example Android 12. So click it and click Start button. Then you give permissions for this application, turn on here, and one more time in settings. So intelligent service, click it, volume styles, click to turn on, allow this operation, and yes, I agree. And now we got a new volume styles panel like Android 12. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.